Good afternoon, this is Jim. I'm working on a 2001 Mercedes S500. The customer's been complaining, and I've verified that they're getting a high-pitched squealing out of the rear brakes intermittently as they back out of their driveway. Their driveway is about 80 feet long, and it's a little bit steeper than my driveway. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the ambient conditions. It's late October. We have 71 degrees, 42% humidity. I just drove the car around the block just to make sure everything was in order. I'm going to check the front brake rotor temperatures to verify that they're close to ambient. About a 73 degree rotor temperature. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to set the camera about 2/3 of the way down the driveway at a lower level, about wheel level. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the car back and forth up the hill and then slowly back down the hill in reverse with the brakes applied. I want to see if we do get any rear brake noise or front brake noise for that matter. I'll shoot that same sequence on both sides of the vehicle, and then we'll do a summary. So we'll get set up and we'll give it a go. Set up. I've got the passenger side set up. We're going to roll up the driveway. I'm set up down near the end of the driveway. I'm going to roll up. We'll back down. We'll see if we hear any noise. Here we go. Pull up a few feet and do it again. Now I'm going to switch the camera over onto the driver's side and perform the same recording. Okay, we're set up on the driver's side of the vehicle. I'm going to pull up and back in reverse with light rear brake brake pedal applied. All right, that summarizes the testing we're going to do this afternoon. What I'll do is I'll let the vehicle sit overnight. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll perform the same analysis, and we'll see if we have any different results. Thanks for watching.